Consciousness is one of the most intriguing aspects of the human experience. Despite living with it every day, it remains a complex and somewhat mysterious phenomenon. Scientists, philosophers, and psychologists have long debated its nature and origins. This essay seeks to unravel the enigma of consciousness through the lens of neuroscience and psychology. By exploring key concepts, famous experiments, and current insights, we'll gain a better understanding of this fascinating territory. Consciousness can be described as the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts, and surroundings. It encompasses everything from the sensation of pain to the ability to reflect on complex problems. This awareness is what separates conscious beings from mere biological machines. Philosophers have long debated the definition of consciousness. René Descartes famously declared, "I think, therefore I am," highlighting self-awareness as a key component. Modern definitions, however, often include the experience of sensations and emotions, as well as the ability to form intentions and plans. In neuroscience, consciousness is often examined in terms of brain activity. Researchers look at how different brain states correlate with conscious experiences. This helps to bridge the gap between subjective experience and objective measurement. Neuroscience provides valuable insights into how consciousness arises from brain activity. At the core of this exploration is the study of neurons, the brain's basic working units. Neurons communicate via electrical and chemical signals, creating intricate networks that underpin our thoughts and sensations. One key concept is the global workspace theory. This theory suggests that consciousness arises when information is broadcasted across the brain, making it accessible to various cognitive processes. This theory helps explain why some information enters our awareness while other data remains subconscious. Another important concept is integrated information theory. It proposes that consciousness corresponds to the amount of integrated information generated by a system. This means that the more interconnected and complex the neural network, the richer the conscious experience. Different parts of the brain play distinct roles in generating consciousness. The cerebral cortex, for instance, is crucial for higher-level processes like thinking and planning. It's divided into areas that specialize in processing sensory information, language, and decision-making. The thalamus acts as a relay station, sending sensory signals to the appropriate areas of the cortex. It's essential for integrating sensory experiences into a coherent conscious experience. Damage to the thalamus can lead to profound disruptions in consciousness. The brainstem, although more primitive, is vital for maintaining basic functions necessary for consciousness. It regulates arousal and sleep-wake cycles. Together, these structures create the foundation of our conscious experience, blending sensory input with higher cognitive functions. Several landmark experiments have shaped our understanding of consciousness. One such experiment is the split brain study conducted by Roger Sperry. By severing the corpus callosum, researchers observed how the two hemispheres of the brain could function independently, revealing insights into lateralized brain functions. Another notable experiment is the rubber hand illusion. In this study, participants perceive a fake rubber hand as their own when their real hand is hidden, and the fake hand is stroked simultaneously with their real hand. This demonstrates how the brain integrates sensory information to create a coherent sense of body ownership. The mirror test is also significant. It evaluates self-recognition in animals by placing a mark on their body and seeing if they notice it in a mirror. Passing the test suggests a level of self-awareness, hence a degree of consciousness. Great apes, dolphins, and some birds have passed this test, indicating varying levels of consciousness across species. Cognitive neuroscience bridges the gap between psychology and biology by studying the neural mechanisms underlying cognitive functions. This field has revealed much about how consciousness works. For instance, brain imaging techniques like fMRI and EEG allow researchers to observe brain activity in real time. Studies using these techniques have shown that consciousness involves widespread brain connectivity. high levels of communication between different brain regions are associated with conscious awareness. This supports theories like the global workspace theory, emphasizing the role of integrated networks. Additionally, cognitive neuroscience has explored the default mode network. This network is active when the brain is at rest, and it plays a role in self-referential thoughts and daydreaming. Understanding this network helps elucidate how the brain generates the continuous stream of consciousness. Understanding consciousness has practical implications in several fields. In medicine, it aids in diagnosing and treating disorders of consciousness, such as coma, vegetative states, and minimally conscious states. Techniques like brain-computer interfaces are being developed to help patients communicate. Artificial intelligence also benefits from insights into consciousness. While true artificial consciousness remains a distant goal, understanding human consciousness can guide the development of more sophisticated and adaptable AI systems. Concepts like learning and memory in AI are inspired by human cognitive processes. In education, knowledge about consciousness can improve teaching methods. Recognizing how attention and awareness affect learning helps educators design more effective curriculums. Techniques that engage students' conscious awareness can lead to better retention and understanding of material. Despite advances, studying consciousness presents significant challenges. One major issue is its subjective nature. Conscious experiences are personal and difficult to measure objectively. This makes it hard to develop universal theories or measurements. Ethical considerations also complicate research. Experiments involving altered states of consciousness, such as those induced by drugs or deep brain stimulation, must be carefully managed to avoid harm. Ensuring the well-being of participants is paramount. Moreover, the complexity of the brain adds to the difficulty. The brain's vast network of neurons and connections creates a highly intricate system. Isolating specific neural correlates of consciousness requires sophisticated technology and methods, which are still developing. Understanding consciousness is crucial for both scientific and practical reasons. It bridges the gap between subjective experiences and objective reality, helping us comprehend what it means to be aware. Advances in neuroscience and psychology have provided insights, but many questions remain unanswered. Continued research holds the promise of unlocking even deeper understanding, potentially leading to breakthroughs in medicine, artificial intelligence, and education. Consciousness, with its intricate workings and profound implications, remains one of the most captivating frontiers of human knowledge.